Hello everyone, this is Arun, a robotics faculty from Aditya Global School. So today, in my robotics, I have done a project, what we call it as H avoidance. H avoidance, what it actually does, it survives inside the table without falling. So here I have used quite components, what are those? It is two beaver motors and the master controller to make a programs and controlling steps, and I have used two IR sensor to detect the edges. So what is actually the logic is, when the motor detects the tables, it moves forward directions. When it detects an edge, when it reaches the corner of the table, when it is detecting the edges, it will get back and moves and take a left. When it is again and again doing this steps, it will survive inside the table without falling. Let me show you the demo of it. So here I am joining on this. Let's see how it works. See, when it is getting edges, you take it back and take in another direction to survive. See, again, when this reaches edges, it will take reverse and take it. So what is the real application is in modern industries, everywhere these autonomous vehicles are arising. It's just a simple logic for the autonomous vehicles. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So in the future, I'll meet you with different projects. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.